Hey, Caesar. Ah. Hey, handsome. Hey, Jackie boy. Are you so beautiful? Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Ruh. 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 You're too cute, Jack. You're too cute, Jackie. Mm. You're too cute, little boy. Hi. Hi. Oh, Jackie boy. Caesar girl. You are so beautiful. Say hi, pretty birds. Say, ha, ha. Come on, Jack. There you go. You want to talk, Jackie? Jackie, Jack. Jackie, Jack, the whisper attack. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful Jackie. I love your beautiful voice, Jack. I love your beautiful voice, Jackie. Hey. Hey, pretty boy. Mwah. Mwah. Talk to us, Jackie. Talk to us, Jackie. Say hi. My name is Jack Bird. Hi. Hey, everybody. I'm a baby parrot. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. I can't get enough of your love. I can't get enough of your love. Hey, babies. Oh, just these two, Taylor. Emil's, thank you. They are adorable. Oh, Jackie, you are so chatty. Oh, I love you too, Jack. Oh, hey, you are too handsome, my little boy. And maybe a little handsy too. Caesar Bird, you want to say hi? You want to say hi, Caesar Bird? Jack always steals the spotlight. He's too cute. Oh, that's my lip. Hey, that's my lip. I love you, cutie pie. Say hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, Caesar girl. Are you so cute, baby? I have one like those, and her name is Mango because she looks like one. LOL. Redbird. My 7-year-old son, he watched some YouTube videos the day we brought Caesar Bird home. This one here, Caesar. And he wanted to name her Mango. And we spent maybe 3 days, 2 days naming Caesar. Daddy prevailed. But my son wanted to name her Mango. Hey, that tickles, Jack. Ultimately, I would not name her Mango because I think it's a very common name for these birds because of their colors. They look like mangoes. They're so cute. Oh, look at that beautiful stretch. Jack. Ah, that's my brain, dude. I felt tongue in there, Jackie. Oh, you're so cute. I love you, Jack. I love you, Caesar. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Jackie. Say hi. You want your daddy kisses. You want more daddy kisses, don't you? All right, say goodbye. Goodbye.